In this video, we are going to solve the integral of tan to the fifth of x times secant squared of x dx. So usually when I see trig functions and I see one raised to an odd power and the other to an even power, I break up the odd power and use a trig identity. However, what do I notice about this integral? Well, I notice I have tan raised to some power and I have a secant squared. How are secant squared and tan related? Well, the derivative of tan is secant squared. So what I can actually do in this case is I can let u equal tan. So if u is tan of x, then du is secant squared x dx. So using this u substitution, I see that this integral is equal to u to the fifth times secant squared x dx, which I see here, that's just du. Okay, now I can just use my power rule to take the derivative of this, right? What does the power rule tell us? It tells us that the integral of x to the n dx is equal to x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So I have u to the fifth. The antiderivative of that should be u to the 5 plus 1, so 6 over 6 plus c. Are we done yet? Not quite. We started off with something that's in terms of x and ended up with an answer in terms of u, so we need to plug in u, which is tan. So this is going to be tan raised to the 6th power over 6 plus c. And this here is our final answer. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.